Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. As you all know that for October session, we do have a paper 2 as well for Islamia. And yes, it was just a good guess regarding the paper 1, and hopefully we are looking forward for paper 2 as well. Okay, we just do create a question or topic about the examination for both of the variants like 1 and 2. And this could be the, you can say, an important question, not the exact question, because we don't create the question as well, so that's why we don't know what would be the question, but still we can guess something that would be quite important about our examination. Okay, here we go with the Islamia 2058 slash paper 21 or paper 22. In Pakistan we do have a paper 22 only. Okay, now for the, you can say we do have a 5 question of exam, and question 1 and 2 are compulsory. Okay, for question number 2 we do have 3 to 4 topics that could be quite important as well. First of all, if we just go across the chapter number 5, we do have individual conduct and communal life deal with us. So this could be the, you can say, the compulsory question as well for both of the examination. We are going for both of examination, not only 2. Okay. Now for the for further topics about the history and compilation of the history and compilation of the. Furthermore, we do have a classification of hadith collection about you can say Musannaf classification of ahadith. And lastly, we have the judging the authenticity of the ahadith. Judging the authenticity of the ahadith, like about the Isnad Matan, how the hadith were compiled, how they were cross-checked by the narrators or the compilers. Now, across the question number 3, we do have a 3 to one question. One topic that is quite important is about the Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Anhu. As you all know that we do have an expansion of Islam of each of the caliphate almost, and have the services that do come in the administration of that specific caliph. Now, but for the Hazrat Umar Radhiyallahu Anhu, we have the question in summer 20. So maybe there would be a no chance for the Hazrat Umar, but we can say about the 3 of the caliph, the Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu Anhu caliph could be quite important, because we don't have any such questions regarding the past 2 sessions. Okay. Now for the question number 4, for the question number 4 and 5. For question number 4 and 5, the pillars of Islam would be more specified as compared to the article of faith. In the recent paper, we do have an article of faith. Both question 4 and 5 were from the article of faith, but still we cannot leave the article of faith as a full choice or option. Okay, the important topics that could be for both of the variants, like the angels, God, predestination and degree, okay, and the resurrection and the last day. Now for the final question that would become pillars of Islam, and pillars of Islam is the quite, you can say, more specified heading as compared to the article of faith. So we have the 4 of the topics. Shahada, that could become in the, you can say, about the question 4 like Tawheed, about the fasting, about the zakat, the almsgiving, and about the Hajj. Okay. The reason that why I write most of the topics excluding, I guess so, with the Yeah, only one topic has been omitted from this one because all of them come in the only from the 19. No such question can be seen in the 20 for both of the variant if you just go across the variant 2.1 or 2.2. So this could be the possibly you can say a question that do come in your that can be come in your examination October session. Okay. Other than that, if you want to just prepare, so you can do all is on you. But this topic would not be left at any other cost. Okay. Hopefully you enjoy the video and just share it with your friend. Till now, Allah Hafiz.